How to import takeoffs into PractiCAM. Once we export everything out of PractiCAD, it now needs to be imported into PractiCAM. Here we have a job created and the job name is currently PractiCAD Training Videos. That is in the field job name and will download to PractiCAM under the job name field. Then we have drawing name, which is called exporting duct. This is going to download to the field for drawing name. Now, whether or not we use the auto takeoff icon in the automatic panel or have designed a one-touch click automatic for exporting, we're going to have to make sure that when we go into PractiCAM, we pull that data out of the folder we send this takeoff to. So what we're going to do is we're going to use the auto takeoff icon for this tutorial. And we're going to design an automatic here and go through the 4 tabs. We're going to say for selection, choose fittings, all drawing. For conditions, we're going to check all the fittings in PractiCAD. For group, we've created 2 groups here, one HP for high pressure, one LP for low pressure. These names are going to download to the takeoff names in PractiCAM. So notice that it's HP and LP. And then for takeoff, we've chosen the destination folder, PCAD training video folder, that's the mother folder, and then we have a subfolder underneath it called PCAD export folder, and that's where these takeoffs are going to download to. You'll also notice that for name, we've specified the name download, and this is also going to appear in combination with the group names in the takeoff fields inside PractiCAM, and you're going to see that in a minute when we download. But if you look at sample, and you look at the sample field, you can see that for LP, it's download LP1. That's going to be the name of the takeoff. And if we click on HP, you can see that that's going to be called download HP1. So you've got HP and LP, and it's going to be a combination of group name and whatever we've put in this particular field. So we're now going to press OK. And when we hit OK again, it's going to download this job to PractiCAM. Now inside PractiCAM, we currently have nothing on our screen. What we're going to do is we're going to go into My Computer and we're going to find the folder where we save all of our takeoffs, and it happens to be the PCAD export folder. And here you can see there are only 2 files or 2 takeoffs that have been downloaded. Download HP1 and download LP1. And if you'd like to bring those into your takeoff screens to nest, report, estimate, or simply download the job, all you need to do is hold down with the left mouse on the file you'd like to use, drag it over My Work, and then let it go. When you do that, PractiCAM is actually going to create a job name folder based on the job name, a drawing name folder based on the drawing name, and then it's going to create the name of this particular takeoff. So if we want to do that again, we can go over here to download LP. We're just going to drag it over to My Work. We're going to let it go. And here you can see that it's just going to add it to the already created folder, PractiCAD Training Videos. So now we've got 2 takeoffs, download HP1 and download LP1. And they're already ready for fabrication.